bubble gun. If you had to put the batteries in, this is the case. These are all the stuff here. We have stickers. We have this unicorn. We have an octopus. We have this thing. And we have this thing where you fill it up with the bubble. These are already mixed. So you need to mix this with water. We're gonna put the stickers on. That. We're gonna have to put it here, like that. Then we put the outer space sticker right here. Or we'll put it like that. Okay. Nice and easy. Like that. Outer space sticker. And we're gonna put the other rocket sticker. It brings air to bring out the bubbles. This doesn't need water. We filled it up.
Wow.